Welcome back to the Crypto Father channel. I am the Crypto Father and today is the 7th of March. Before I start this video, I'd like to talk to all of you. I've noticed that while the videos that I put out receive a lot of views relatively compared to the overall size of the channel, I've noticed that a lot of you don't bother subscribing or don't bother hitting the like button, which I don't understand, because these are simple tasks that you could do for any content creator that provides you with the content for you to watch on YouTube. A simple thank you for letting me watch your content would be great, and even more so for subscribing to the channel of which content you just watched. Just looking at the last video I posted on Solchat, you can see that there were 265 views, 15.6 watch hours and 3 subscribers. 3 people out of 265 people who watched this video, only 3 subscribed. Now the viewership is out of the ordinary. This is above what was normally expected by YouTube, but only 3 of you subscribed. That is a shame. 265 of you watched, only 3 subscribed. Why? Not only that, but out of the 265 views, only 16 likes. How difficult is it to push a little button and say thank you for letting me watch your video that you spent the time to create and provide for me on the platform here for my consuming needs for free. So please remember to hit that like button, smash that like button, hit the bell notification all on the button, and also subscribe to the channel, because it's all free stuff and you'll be able to receive notifications from my channel, from the Crypto Father channel, from the Crypto Father me on a daily basis, because I release video on a daily basis for your viewing pleasure. And also, while we're at it, if you're feeling generous, then hop on to the join button and become a crypto kitten, crypto cat. You will receive name badges. For those who are with me for a very long time, your badges will become incrementally interesting based on the time that you've been with me with the channel. Also, you will get access to stickers, priority reply and comments, early access to new videos, and members polls only in members chats when they become available on the live chat section. And so with that, let's hop on to our today's topic. So it seems that Solana withdrawals on Binance have been put on hold, which is strange. Why? This is why Binance's Solana withdrawals are on extended hold. Increased transaction activity on the Solana network prompts Binance to suspend withdrawals, with optimizations expected to resolve the issue. Now, I've seen some articles saying that this issue should be resolved by the 9th of March, which is in 2 days. And it began sometime on the 3rd or 4th of this month. So it's been an ongoing issue for the past 5 or 6 days. Binance suspended withdrawals on the Solana network due to intermittent issues. The surge in trading volume on Solana potentially strains the network. Binance is identifying optimization areas to address the issue. Solana's recent trading volume surge, particularly driven by meme coins, signifies a growing interest and participation in the ecosystem. However, this increased activity may have contributed to issues with exchange withdrawals. The cryptocurrency exchange Binance recently announced the intermittent suspension of withdrawals on the Solana network, citing increased transaction volumes. According to this article, it says, on Wednesday, March 6, Binance informed its users of the intermittent suspension of withdrawals on the Solana network. The exchange revealed that withdrawals have been intermittently suspended since Monday, March 6th. To address the issue, Binance claims it identified areas of improvement that would lead to a stable and long-term solution. While Binance did not reveal these solutions, they set the implementation solution for Saturday, May 9th. Apparently, Solana's network is experiencing a significant spike in transaction, which is kind of a conundrum, because Solana is supposed to be one of the fastest chains out there, clocking in at about 2,322 transactions per second as per the Solana Explorer. So to see something like this is a bit odd. Monday, May 4, Solana's decentralized exchange DEX trading volume astonishingly surpassed Ethereum's, registering a record 2 billion in transactions within a 24-hour. This was the same day that Binance started suspending Solana transactions. The surge is predominantly attributed to the increased activity surrounding meme coins within Solana's ecosystem. In particular, established meme coins such as WIF, which is I think dog with hat, Popcat and Bonk, Trump and When saw a significant surge in activity. The spike in Solana's transaction volume could be a plausible factor behind Binance's decision to suspend withdrawals on the Solana network intermittently. High transaction volumes necessitate operational adjustments by exchanges to ensure stable network performance. On the flip side, Binance has experienced issues leading to the suspension of Solana withdrawals on several occasions, including in April 2022, so this is not a first-time occurrence. At the time, the exchange cited a high volume of withdrawal requests that included bank transfers, IDs, which led to transaction failures on the Solana network. Solana dropped 7% on the day of the announcement. However, the drop coincided with a larger market correction hitting other major altcoins. Why this matters, they say. The suspension of SOL withdrawals by Binance underscores the ongoing scalability challenges faced by blockchain networks. As the DeFi sector continues to expand, the ability of these networks to handle surges in transaction volumes is crucial for the long-term viability and success. And that is a good point made. So this just shows how fresh and how new the crypto market still is. Things like DeFi, the DeFi sectors have not really experienced a proper money flow just yet up until now. With the amount of money that's flowing in right now in Bitcoin ETFs, that's about to change quite possibly. But the $1 to $3 trillion surges in money flow that we saw on the cryptocurrency market is nothing compared to what is to come. And if we're seeing problems right now, congested networks and scalability issues, that's problematic. So these things still need to be worked on, and this is why we know that the market is just quite possibly not ready yet for the inflow of money from all over the world. I found this picture interesting. Now, you might not be aware of this, possibly. The founder of Ethereum is Vitalik Buterin, whom everybody knows. He's a Russian Canadian, or just Canadian, but based by his accent, he's strongly Russian, which is odd because he grew up in Canada since he was a little kid, so I'm not sure exactly how his accent remains this strong. Well, the founder of Solana, Anatoly Yakovenko, is Ukrainian. It's a rivalry in the crypto world. To me, it's kind of strange and bizarre at the same time, but it's certainly a rivalry. There are claims that Ethereum is a centralized project by now after its removal of the mining algo, after converting to proof of stake. And that it's some claim that it's supported by the Russians, whatever that means. But with the ongoing war between Ukraine and Russia, this is kind of it's a topic to be discussed, I guess, and I'm sure that it's a topic that many people do take into consideration when making investment decisions. Nevertheless, Twitter has been buzzing on certain occasions with the announcements of buying Solana at $100 is like buying Ethereum at $1. And so the idea is that Solana is going to surpass Ethereum, and it looks like Solana's trading volume has hit 2 billion, which surpassed Ethereum already. So these things are happening already. So what might come for Solana in this bull run is uncertain. But one thing is certain though, in the last bull run, in the last bull cycle, Solana reached an all-time high of about, $259. And if we're to see 3x's on Bitcoin, or 3.5x's on Bitcoin topping its all-time high, then we're certainly going to see a lot more x's on Solana. Solana has a total supply of 571 million coins. There isn't a max supply, which is a bit I don't know, to me it's disconcerting, because I tend to look at proof of work coins, which tend to have, for the most part, a max supply, like Bitcoin or Meowcoin or any other coin that I'm aware of. But when it comes to proof of stake tokens, the situation's often very different. Ethereum, I think, still doesn't have a maximum supply number listed. It kind of makes you wonder when these tokens numbers will cease to increase. So will they continue to increase forever? And if they do, what will happen to the overall price of that particular token? But while the market cap price continues to soar, we will continue seeing price increases. So the market cap on Solana reached a all-time high of 77 billion. And right now we're sitting at 59 billion, I guess, somewhere, yeah, 58 billion, somewhere around there. So we are certainly going to see another 75 billion market cap Solana, which means that we will see another $250 or $260 Solana, and quite likely well beyond that. So announcements like these make it clear that Solana is bracing itself, and exchanges and Solana service providers are bracing themselves for what's to come. The last thing you would want as an exchange like Binance is to lose out on trading fees, on the massive amounts of trading fees that may be coming in the upcoming bull run, as people pile in on Solana and everybody FOMOs in on Solana and starts buying in left and right. The last thing you want is to lose out on trading fees due to congestions or due to network failures. So it's smart of Binance to take precautions right now and begin fixing things and making sure that the Solana network is running smoothly without any problems further on, in order to avoid delays in transactions later on during the bull market, when everything is exploding and when everything is pumping. And I think it's very likely that Solana will surpass Ethereum, simply because it's a lot faster, it's a lot cheaper. From what I understand, the transactions on Ethereum have been ridiculous. According to Google, Ethereum average transaction fee is a current level of 2.092, whatever that means. It's up from yesterday and up from a year ago. This is a change of 52% from yesterday and 233% from 1 year ago. So the fees, whatever they are, have gone up 233% in a year. Another quick Google search gives us here blockchain average tax transaction or tax fee. Solana, half a penny. Ethereum, $8.90. On Bitcoin, it's $3.70. Polygon, also below a penny. So with transaction fees like these, if you have a blockchain like Solana that provides the exact same thing as Ethereum, granted Ethereum has... The only reason why Ethereum is so big right now and why it remains number 2 is because it has the early starter advantage. Ethereum was the second cryptocurrency that was released after Bitcoin, and is the very first one that allowed decentralized apps and scalability and all that stuff. So of course Ethereum has a longevity on its back, while Solana is a relatively new project which started a lot later. And so Ethereum was able to build momentum and build an ecosystem on top of its back, because it was given enough time to do so, while Solana basically is a much younger project, and the amount of projects that are building on it is increasing at an alarming rate almost. But of course it's a much younger project, so it's going to take some time for it to mature enough to reach the levels of Ethereum, but at a much lower cost and quite possibly at a much faster speed. So a project that's offering the same thing as an older one for lower price is bound to surpass the older one. It just needs some time. So I think personally, Solana at $131 right now is a steal from what it may accomplish in this bull run. It's literally 1x, a little bit less than 1x from its all-time high, and I think that it's going to reach that, quite possibly the $1,000, and break past Ethereum's market cap, quite possibly. The overall Ethereum market cap is $461 billion, while Solana's is only 57. I could certainly see Solana surpassing Tether and BNB and hit number 3 here, as more and more people start piling into the ecosystem. And that's my take on it. Take it or leave it. I've got some Solana. Also, what you should consider taking is the Meow coin airdrop, which is taking place right now. What you should do right now is hit that like button. Again, too many of you watch and don't leave a thank you note. The thumb button is like a thank you note for letting me watch your content. Subscribing is a slap on the back and, you know, saying thanks a lot. So what you should do is do those two things, subscribe and follow to the channel, and also check out, follow me on Twitter, and get in on the Meowcoin airdrop, which is happening now. So check out my previous video for the Meowcoin airdrop 7. Do the things you need to do in order to be eligible for the participate in the airdrop, and send it, post it on Twitter, and get yourself some Meowcoin. 1,000 Meowcoin to 10 lucky winners, 10,000 Meowcoin to be given away. That's all I got to say for today. I will see you in the next video tomorrow sometime. I'm out.